Welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can check and change your ratings on Netflix. First of all, we have to open the netflix.com website on our browser and then move for the right upper corner and open account. Next we have to scroll down, and if you want to switch ratings, for example for this first profile, just click on this arrow, then scroll down, find ratings and click to view. As you can see right now, you are able to simply change the current ratings. If you scroll down, you are able to show more of the ratings. You don't have to save it, you can just click once and will be automatically changed. So that's all for the video, hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.